So my inaugural lecture is about how tumours grow and how I started to get interested in tumours, how I got into science in the first place, and how that journey has taken me from the northeast of England, where I was at medical school, down to East Anglia to the University of Cambridge, where I did a lot of training and developed a lab, and then west into the West Midlands to Birmingham to develop clinical trials to utilise some of the lessons we learned both from the lab and from the clinical work we've done to develop a new groundbreaking research platform here in Birmingham. So I think my research is important to me because I have witnessed many times therapeutic nihilism, and I think it's often, brain cancer is often put into the too difficult box. Neuroscience and neurology can often be a scary thing during medical training, and the brain itself is an extremely complex organ. It's probably the most complicated organ in the universe, and it's the only thing that presumes to study itself, and it's still got a long way to go to develop that. So I think we can contribute through several different ways in addressing those challenges. What makes me passionate about it? I think it's the courage of my patients that I see on a weekly basis in my clinic when they face horrendous challenges and overwhelming situations, and they rise up to meet those challenges. I think trying to do something to help, trying to offer a ray of hope in what is a devastating disease is something that I care passionately about. Well, it's the first time I've done an inaugural lecture. I've never done one before. It's an exciting opportunity to reflect on my scientific journey and the lessons I've learned in order to better look forward to understand how we can build a team here in Birmingham that is truly multidisciplinary and allow us to do some genuinely groundbreaking and original work that brings together laboratory and the clinical arena.